When you just treat the whole third world like it's a charity case, all you're doing is creating dependency and pathological responses. And it's the road to hell paved with good intention. Socialism, collectivism, and statism would not have had the long shelf life in the third world that it has had, apart from foreign aid, apart from Western governments that had a lot of wealth to throw around, propping it up.
We've been so conditioned to be the nice guys in the room who don't really have categories for warfare, don't have categories for winning and pursuing enemies.
And I think that that's why we're in a lot of the mess that we're in, because we have a lot of cogs. We don't have a lot of people who've been taught to think intelligently about the world, about what God wants of them, their role in this world.
North American evangelicals have by and large adopted an eschatology of acquiescence in defeat. And so the only thing we have to do is survive until Jesus comes.
In the concept of Christian nationalism, when there's this big idea, shouldn't all Christians look like making Christ King of Kings and Lord of Lords? Right.
And to the progressives, they do look like that. All you have to do is say that. The claims of Christ are not banished from the public square.
Right.
Then as far as everybody in the world is concerned, you're a Christian nationalist.
Without an understanding of theology, I don't know how politics can be made sense. I mean, who are you to make a law over me?
This comes back down to Moses, right? Like this is common law that's been passed down.
You got to explain why it is that it's okay for a nation to gather together and to make legislation, and what that legislation needs to look like for it to be righteous.